Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Gonna take up the X-Fly F-22. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little windy. In fact, it's a whole lot windy.
High rates.
It is all kinds of windy. But this little guy can handle the wind. No problem. It can handle the wind. And it's so light. Even though it's windy, you just stay in control of that plane and you just have fun. Try to take off scale, but I'm in high rates right now, which I don't even know what that is right now.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I don't want to dare look down my radio to find out. There. Try to practice my high Cobra. No, that's not really Cobra though, is it? Those twin motors, they sound so good in this little plane. Come on, little guy. He's like, Daddy, no, don't do this to me. You did this to me earlier. Thought I had a break from the wind. Run the 2600 4S HRB. If I remember right, it has a 50C discharge. All right, here we're gonna do this. We're gonna go towards our clubhouse. We're gonna come back towards us. Full speed with the wind. There, that's a Cobra.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Come on, reaching for the imaginary rudder that I don't have. That is fun. Another Harrier landing. I'll tell you what, folks, you gotta get one of these. This thing is just so much fun to fly. Well, that was a little too much. But the nose, magnetic on there. It's just magnetic right on there. There you go. Woo! Crazy wind. Oh man. Yeah, don't do these things if you're playing, folks. I'm just nuts. Oh, lost the wheel. Well,
Prop secured.
I think I was a little hard on my wheels. Maybe it's just me, but plopping down like that ain't what you call good. Let's see if I can't get that right back on there. Work it on there. Work it, work it, work it. Try not to twerk it. Anyways, oh. All right, here we go. This is called the X-Fly F-22 torture test.
1 minute.
How much abuse can one little F-22 take? And just so you know, no, I'm not an affiliate. And no, this plane cost me full price just like it cost you. I'm just nuts. Well, what's it, $169, I think? Whatever it is, I paid full price for it. But it's my plane, and if I want to abuse it, then I'll abuse it.
30 seconds.
Now that was a beautiful landing. All right. It's my plane and I'll abuse it if I want to. All right.
Prep secured.
25 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. That's 4 minutes of just pure fun. I found that when I was putting the plane together that there was a bad gap in the canopy here, and now you think, well, it's not bad now. Well, what I did was simple. My canopy was just warped, so I just kept flexing it down, pushing it down just a little bit. Now she fits nice and flat. So if yours is warped a little bit, that's what you do. Not enough to break it, just enough to let it bend a little bit. Now there's right there is where that battery was. It was a 2600. It only fits, you know, 2200 is gonna be right there, right behind that little dip down there. You put your battery in there. 2200 as far forward on that area as you can get it. And then the 2600, which I use, fills up the whole thing, and there's no variance. I got an AR631 and receiver up front. She got safe, she got telemetry. I mean, she got wind mitigation, AS3X, and safe and all that. All I use is the wind mitigation. But she's a blast to fly. 34%, almost 4 minutes. So 4 minutes of hard flying and you'll be just fine. Probably push it for 4.5 minutes if you take it easy. Not like the way I fly. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. I'm Fat Guy Flies RC. This is the X-Fly Twin 40 F-22. An absolute blast to fly. No rudders, but she makes up with it with plenty of attitude. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends with an F-22s.